Take a close look at these intriguing images. I'm certain that your loved ones' friends, clients, and social media followers will be captivated. Now, without further delay, let me walk you through the tutorial step by step. Let's get started. Do you want to create eye-catching anime and cartoon styles for your customers? Photos that will capture their attention? Do you want to convert your friends and family's photos into stunning 3D images that look like they came straight from a Pixar or Disney movie? Stylar AI is a cutting-edge AI platform that empowers you to effortlessly upload your images using the image-to-image feature, and with a simple click, seamlessly customize their styles. Currently, style presets such as 3D pixel pastel, minimalist cartoon character, 3D graffiti, splash pixel art, and more are available for free on Stylar AI. So, if you want to easily turn your photos into artwork with just a few clicks, without needing photo editing skills like Adobe Photoshop, and without requiring specialty hardware, such as a graphics tablet or advanced equipment, don't miss out on this tutorial. Stay with me until the end to learn how to effortlessly convert your photos into beautiful artworks. Open the Stylar AI in your browser. After register with your Google account, click on New Project. Then enter your project title. Use your canvas size and apply these settings. Next, click on the Import Images button to bring in all your 2D images. Click on the Auto Prompt button. Now select the style you want. I will choose Dreamlike. And click on Stylize. And wait for a few seconds. If you are not satisfied, you can try again. Click on the Export and save your image. Let's experiment with one more image using a different style. This time I am choosing the dreamy 3D style. Repeat the previous steps to generate once again AI by experimenting with various style and generating unique images. Don't forget to save your creations and share them with others to showcase the power of AI in transforming your 2D images. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more exciting tips and updates.